I'm picking off tree sapping. What is this? That's tree sapling. Sap. It's sticky too. It's bleeding out more. See? Oh my god. It's like a crystal. It's satisfying. I'm gonna try to get a bigger piece of it.
Can I pause the video?
Okay, I got a bigger piece. So I'm heading back home. My brother's gonna come get me to look at some houses that have Halloween decorations up. So that should be interesting. I have to wash off my hands now because they're sticky. Or fingers. You get what I mean though. Hopefully. So yeah. Let's get to the house. Very slowly though. Because yeah. Tried making a satisfying video, but it did not work out. So, yeah, we're gonna go home. I'm going home. My brother is gonna come and get me. Hopefully my CD arrived at the house, because I've been waiting for a couple days now for my CD. And yeah. Listen, you can hear crickets. Dang it. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's enough of crickets. I love it over near my area of my home. It's really peaceful until school bell rings. Hello, little squirrel. Listen to the wind. It's so satisfying. It's a beautiful day out. A really beautiful day. It's not hot, it's not too cold. It's in the medium. It's in the middle of cold and hot. Which is what I like. Okay, there's just a van sitting there. I'm going to go back. Run! Never trust fans. I can't go home. Hi. There's a kitty. Kitty, come here. I can't pet the cat. We'll get him next time. I'm checking behind me to make sure that van is still there. It is still there. So I know that he's not trying to take me or anything. Never trust vans. If you see a van just sitting there, there's somebody in it, run immediately. Don't just stand there, just run. Because you don't know if they're going to take you or something like that. So I'm heading back to my brother now. Come on! I need you to come with me. Because there's a red van just sitting at the church parking lot. There's somebody in it. Just sitting there.
That's supposed to be bringing people there, idiot.
What?
It's supposed to be bringing people there because today is one of those days for kids.
No.
Yes.
Come. I don't want to get
The
taken.
red van just left. It went down their road. I just saw the red van.
You're still coming with me just in case. You know what? Go ahead and just stay there because you don't even care.
Hey, I just said let's stay here. Let's.
I have to go wash off my hands.
It's fine. Just don't put your hands in your mouth or anywhere near your face.
Okay. I want to go over wait. Oh, sit there. There's nothing in it.
Take it.
There's nothing in it.
Take it.
There ain't nothing in it.
There is something in it.
Crumbs.
Your soul. Actually.
Can we just go see if he can come?
Alright, you can.
Okay, I'm going to pause this. So, plan B, we're going to go look at houses that have Halloween decorations up.
Were you recording?
No, I paused. So, can we go look at haunted houses now?
No, not until Alex with us.
Oh my god, this is what I mean.
So dramatic.
Please.
Not right now, but there's not that many houses yet. By tomorrow, car.
I want to go look at that one house that has that maze up, though.
It's not up yet.
You don't know that?
Yes, I do. I was just on here without a Cameron yesterday. It's currently being put up.
I want to go see it for now.
No, it will be up tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow we'll definitely go to here and there.
It's a witch.
It's not a witch, actually.
No, there's those kids. kids again.
No, not those. Oh, it is those kids again.
Oh god. What have I gotten myself into, guys? We have a countdown below. Shh, wait.
What?
Listen to the crickets. It's nice and peaceful out. Now we're actually heading back home because my brother said tomorrow that we can go look at them. At the houses that have Halloween decorations up.
Green dude, you looking kind of sus though.
I saw a cat over here and it ran away.
Meow.
Oh, now it is gone. Good.
It done did gone. Anyway, look at go.
Yep. They're right behind us.
Look, right at the end of the shop.
Oh no!
Come on. Huh.
Oh god.
No, just shut the hell up. Bird. Bird. I hear that well. Hey, do you know that guy up there who does the drumming? Can you tell him he does a really good job at it?
He said thank you. Okay. It's been 13 minutes and 54 seconds.
What? What does that have to do with anything?
Of me filming, dumb head. It's been 14 minutes now. I wonder if my CD came today.
No, it did.
How do you know?
I said it did, and I said no, which means I don't know.
We're almost at the house, just in case you didn't hear me.
We're not.
Okay, I'm about to pause, okay? Bye.